Hi, I'm Celeste, one of the RAs here at Hutch Hall, one of our co-ed dorms here at John Brown University. Come with me and I'll show you around. This is our first floor lobby that has a brand new carpet and brand new furniture. This is a great study space if you want to come study with your friends or even just take a study break, go get a beverage, and look out to the beautiful view that we have in front of Hutch. And if we come right over here, we can see our full kitchen, which is fully equipped with a fridge, a stove, and an oven, as well as a microwave. If you get tired of just having ramen noodles in your room, you can just come over here and cook a meal for yourself, or you can even get some supplies from our RHA closet and third floor. And yeah, this is a great place to come. Here at Hutch, we have multiple different styles of room. Let me show you one of them, an en-suite style room. So this is one of our en-suite style rooms. Basically what that means is that it doesn't have a bathroom attached to it or a sink. Rather, it shares a bathroom that is cleaned by our staff with the 3 other rooms in the en-suite. Let's go take a look at it. As you can see here, the room is made for 2 people, meaning it has 2 pieces of each set of furniture. So there's 2 closets, 2 beds, 2 drawers, and desks. And you can really move them around and set them up however you like. As you can see here, one of the residents set it up as a bunk, where the other one has his desk over on this side. And you can bring in and decorate it with whatever you want. There's some lights, you can have a TV, some chairs. You can make it as comfortable as you want. Now we're going to be headed to the 2nd floor to look at one of our U-style rooms that houses 2 residents. So now let's take a look at our U-style room. As you can see, here we have our U-style room. This one, as the en-suite, doesn't have a sink and it is not attached to another bathroom because they all share one bigger bathroom that is cleaned by our staff. Now we are on the 3rd floor of Hutch, where we have our lounge. This is a great hangout space if you want to come and play some ping pong or even watch a movie or play some piano. People will come here all the time to do game nights or simply hang out, even take a nap in one of our couches. This is one of our suite style rooms. This means that in comparison to the other 2 rooms we've seen, this one has a sink and it has a bathroom that is attached to it. These bathrooms are shared by only 4 people and they must be cleaned by our residents. Well, thank you so much everyone for coming with me on this tour. I hope this was something that you enjoyed and that you can possibly see yourself living in Hutch in the future. And yeah, I hope to see you in Hutch next year.